Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see the background, yeah, you know what we're about to do. You know, and I know. You know, and I know. So I'm about to clean this room, and y'all gonna watch me. So number one, my vanity, y'all on top of my vanity right now. I'm gonna switch my vanity next to my bed because this outlet over here is real loose, and I don't know if my vanity stopped working, the light. I don't know if the LED light stopped working, or it's just the outlet. And I got scared, you feel me? So I have to check now and see. I blacked on the people on TikTok because I got it on TikTok. I blacked on them and I was like, yo, nah, I ain't black on them, but I did tell them that I feel like it's not working no more, so I at least want half of my money back. They was like, oh, it may be due to the lack of, you feel me, connection to the wall and all that. So we're gonna check and we're gonna see if it's that. We're gonna see. So I know I look like a bum right now, but it is what it is. I'm home anyways. So these are clean. I need to get rid of this dresser and buy like a bigger one because I can't. I have too many clothes. So and hopefully I can find my remote because baby, stop. I did lose my remote and I can't find it nowhere. I looked under the bed and everything. Baby, what happened? This little girl. She be getting tight. You wanna sit up? Anyway. I did I don't know where's my remote. I looked everywhere in this room. And the last place I left it was on the bed. So I'm guessing a ghost took it. I'm guessing. Yeah, just gonna watch me. I have to move all this out the way first before I move my vanity. So, bro, there's this bug that keep coming in my room. I don't know what you call it, but I'm gonna pop a picture right here if I can find it. They have like little dots on them and they red when they open their wings. Because I have my AC on the window, but now that it's getting cold and stuff like that, I don't need my AC. So I took it out the window. Hopefully they're not in my room no more after this because I guess they were sneaking in through little cracks from outside. And they was going on my walls, and I know they don't harm you and stuff, but still nobody want that crawling around their room, and especially crawling on me because I'm gonna go crazy. So I'm also restocking her diapers. Listen, at this point, these diapers piss me off. I get Huggies, I get Honest, and I get some brand from BJ. These are the BJ's ones, as a matter of fact. They are nice, like the material, but maybe it's because she's getting bigger. I feel like they thinner now, but maybe it's just because she's getting bigger and peeing more, so that's why. But yeah, I like Pampers too, though. I might go back to Pampers. I don't know, but right now I got the Honest wipes. I'm gonna show you. Go get you one of these. Yeah, the Honest wipes. I like those. Those are my favorite wipes. And I bet you I'll find my remote when I'm done cleaning. And if I don't, yeah, then that's crazy. Yeah, the ghost took it for real. Y'all hear Gracie's corner? She swear. She swear. One thing about Nevaeh, yeah, girl, you're gonna break it. Look what my mom bought her. Alright, I'm gonna turn it up because she gonna break it. Yeah, no, she looking at the plastic already. Bookie, this ain't for you. It's not. Bro, I'm telling you, I clean and it's like this room get messed up mad quick. Mad quick. I don't know. I hate when I don't know where to start. Maybe I should start with that side first since I'm moving my vanity. Yeah. I know, Nevaeh, I know. I'm getting mad too, but it's alright. Yeah, I think it's better that way. Because I need more room right here to put this crib. I mean this playpen. Because now that I have a playpen, less space. You feel me? Less space. Then I got her little toy there that she's not walking yet, so I have that there. My mom just got her walker today, so it's like, yeah, it's too much, and pretty soon I'm gonna have to put that in my room too. Like, I better not see that bug in here because I'm gonna get tight. Because I went to the city recently. I came back today. Today is Monday, October 13th. I came back today and I went 2 days ago. I was supposed to stay for 1 day, but I ended up staying twice for 2 days. But I came back today, and when I left to go to the city, the bug was in my room. And did I kill it? No, I did not, because when I was in a rush, my cat was sitting there playing with it. I said, you know what? Bye. I'm leaving. Bye. Bye. Rainavale. Then I have charges for days. And then I get rid of clothes, and it's just still like I have mad stuff still. You meet me? Bro, if my vanity don't work with this outlet right here, it's gonna be a problem. And then they like to hide in the curtains too. There was one time it was two of them chilling on my curtains like they pay rent. Yeah, we're not doing that. I need to wipe waters down. All right. All right, because I was about to black. Yes, I guess it is the outlet over there, so good thing I moved it. That was the plan. Okay, so now we have to clean this. I need to buy one of them hands or something that you put the chains on. And what happened with this one? Come on, bro. I don't have patience to be taking knots out of chains. I'm gonna just put this in here. I have some of my nail stuff in here too. Push that in just for now. This goes in my lash box. Gotta do my lashes. I'll probably do it tonight. It's weird. It's too much. It really is. All right, so the light turned off again. I think it's because the outlet. Because all my outlets in my room is loose, even around the whole house actually. And I've been told them about this, and they still. So now I'm gonna make another complaint. Another complaint. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm drinking iced coffee, and it's 10 o'clock. This is the coffee grains, and I put maple syrup. That's it, yeah. But I let it sit, you know. Who wrote me? Crazy. These outlets, that should just piss me off. Cause like, what's the point? This little girl got so many blankets. All right, boom. This is the back. This is my room. This is the entrance. Okay. My pillows is in there, but I gotta put it on the bed. Don't worry about that. But yeah. And then my vanity, I gotta fix it still. I still gotta fix it. I still, I still gotta. Yeah. Yeah.